This is how to play mmitsa mabitso Immanuel by mahlangu. The original key of the song is the key of F sharp. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of C sharp, okay? So without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. The progression of the song is very, very easy. So it moves from 1, it goes to 4. From 4, it goes back to 1, and then it goes to 5. So if you want to play it with the original key, which is the key of F sharp, you're gonna go to 1. From 1, you're gonna go to 4, and then back to 1, and then you play 5. On the left, you do the same thing as 1 on the key of F sharp. Right now we are on the key of F sharp. You go to 1, number 4, back to 1, and then 5. So this is where the song says, mmitsa mabitso Immanuel, mabitso Immanuel. Okay, but I said in this video I'll be breaking down the song using the key of C sharp. So from 1 it goes to 4, from 4 it goes back to 1, and then back to 5. Okay, and then to 5. Okay, so on the left you're gonna say 1, 4, 1, 5. Okay, or you can play it like this. You can say 1, 4, and then play C major, and then 5. Because remember, on my previous video I told you guys that this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Okay, so I can choose it. I can choose to play it right here, or I can choose to play it right here or right here. Okay, I can say mmitsa mabitso Immanuel, or I can say mmitsa mabitso Immanuel. Okay, so it's up to you how you play it, but the progression is very easy. So the thing that's gonna make this song sound nice is the bass. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to play a very nice bass. So when you hit number 1, I want on the left, I want you to say, okay, I want you to say mmitsa mabitso Immanuel. Okay, I'm gonna break it down to you guys. So when you hit the first chord, you're gonna say 1, 4, ba 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 ba, 6, 4, 2, 5. Okay, let's do it again. It's gonna sound like ba 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 ba. Okay, ba 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 ba. Okay, when you hit this note, remember the left you hit this chord, your number 4. Okay, ba 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 ba. At the same time, when you hit this note on the right, you hit number 4, and then when you say ba 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 ba, you go to 1. I told you guys that you can play it here, or you can come here, or you can come here. Okay, let's start again. Ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba. Okay, so it's 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 7, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 4, 2, 5, 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 7, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 4, 2, 5. Okay, let's play it again. Mmitsa. Let me do it slow. And then when you hit number 5, also on the right you change, you go to number 5. Okay, so I'm gonna play it fast. Remember, it's gonna take time for you to play this place like this, so take time to practice it, okay? Mmitsa,